out here. She took a $1,200 stimmy, right, and turned it into a multi-million-dollar enterprise.
Why y'all was eating crab legs and
Y'all
going to
was
Miami
y'all took
and
that
shit?
stimmy and went to Miami. She took that stimmy and made some M's.
This is a little segue. Hold on. Before you, because I saw some shit on Twitter that really pissed me off, man. These niggas said if Biden send them this $20,000 for their student loans,
what they gonna do?
They ain't gonna be paying it. And you know what? Y'all
I see
deserve
somebody
to be
say this
broke.
gonna get a chain.
Y'all deserve to be broke. You don't deserve money or wealth if you do that dumb shit. That's all I had to say.
Okay.